Have you ever felt it's a struggle to make those healthy habits stick? Perhaps your health and well-being journey looks something like this. At the moment, you're down here. You're not feeling great, you don't have much energy, you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, and you don't have time to exercise, and you're not eating as well as you should. Well, where you'd rather be is up here, waking up full of energy for your busy day ahead. You're exercising, eating well, sleeping well, and you're living your best healthy life. Well, perhaps your journey has looked something like this in the past. You started off with the best intentions, but things have gone south. You've managed to get them back on track, but before you know it, you're way off track. How about we take you from down here to up here as effectively and easily as possible? Well, my name is Timo Top, and for 30 years I've been living, breathing and coaching fitness, health and well-being. And I'm very excited to announce I'm distilling all of that knowledge, experience and wisdom into one powerhouse, life-enhancing event. Not only are you going to learn what you really need to be doing, you're going to learn what's appropriate for you right now in your journey. The reason most people fail is they're taking on strategies they simply can't sustain. We're also going to look at all your exercise, your excuses and obstacles that get in your way and often derail you. And we're going to bypass trying to find motivation to put those healthy habits on autopilot for long-term sustainability and success. So if you need to upgrade your health and well-being to look, feel and perform at your best and live your best healthy life, I encourage you to check out the details of my workshop. Come along, it's going to be a life-enhancing, fun, interactive event where you're going to walk away with a plan of action to take you from down here to up here as easily and effectively as possible. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.